Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great and preparing for your upcoming examinations at your home. So, students, welcome back to your online video class by LPM Public School. So, students, as you all know, at this time your school is closed due to the cold wave and chill weather. That is why we are providing you the series of online revisional classes so that you can revise your all chapters and you can perform better in your exams. Okay. So students, today we are going to revise chapter number 2 from your grammar book. So firstly, take out your grammar book, okay, English grammar book, and open chapter number 2, okay. Open chapter number 2. So in our previous chapter, what we had learned in our previous chapter, we had revised the alphabetical order, okay. So in our today's chapter in our today's class we will revise chapter number 2, the sentences, okay, the sentence. So in our today's class we will learn about sentences, that what is a sentence, what is the definition of sentence, there are how many types of sentence are there, and lots of things, okay. So students, you had already learned so many things about sentence in your physical classes, but now we are going to revise it so that if you had forgot these things, so you can revise it and you can recall it, okay. So firstly, look at this box that is given in your book on chapter number 2. Can you complete the following? Can you complete the following? Here some incomplete sentences are given, okay. Here four and incomplete sentences are given. You have to complete these sentences, okay. You can write anything to complete these sentences, okay. First one is the children arrived at dash. So where the children arrived? You can write the children arrived at school, okay. Next one is once upon a time dash. So here you can write anything, okay. You can write once upon a time there was a king, okay. Next one is now can you think of a nice opening, okay. So here you saw that sentences in the opening were given and you have to complete it the last one, okay. And here you have to write the opening sentences, okay, and you have to complete these. Dash into the fishing net. So what is into the fishing net? So you can write fishes are into the fishing net, okay. Next one, dash over the wall, okay. So what is over the wall? You can write clock is over the wall, okay. Okay, so let's move on to the, without any further delay, let's start our today's chapter, okay. Read these examples, okay. Here some examples are given for you so that you can read, okay. So firstly, before moving on to the examples, firstly let's go through the definition of a sentence. That what is a sentence? A sentence is an arrangement of a group of words that makes complete sense, okay. Here you can see the definition is given, okay. What is the definition of a sentence? What is a sentence? If someone will ask you that what is sentence, then what will you answer? So you will say there, a sentence is an arrangement of group of words that makes complete sense, okay. So a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, okay. Now here look at the look at the examples. I love my friends, okay. I love my friends. Second one is children are playing. Third one is Paul likes playing football. And fourth one is this is my new pet, okay. In each these a group of word is arranged in a manner of that it makes sense of convey a complete thought, okay. after reading each sentence, you will get a full message. You will get the idea that what a person is trying to say about something. Okay, so this is a complete sense because it is conveying the full idea of the sentence. Okay, so as you can see, these are the group of words, 1 2 3 4. Here 4 words in this sentence, and these 4 words together conveying a idea. Okay, and you are able to understand that what a person is about want to say. So it is called the sentence. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, so always remember one thing: a sentence always begins with capital letter. Okay, a sentence always begin, it means it always start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, ends with a full stop. Okay, and a sentence always has a verb. Okay, every sentence has a verb. Okay, okay, so the next thing that we should learn is what is the difference between a statement and a question. Okay, so a sentence which says or state something is called a statement. Okay, a sentence which is saying something or stating something or states something is called a statement, and a sentence which asks something is called a question. Okay, a sentence which is asking something is called question. Okay, okay, so here we were here. So now we will move on to the exercises of this chapter. First exercise is tick the group of words that make complete sense. Okay, so here you can see some group of words are given: 1 2 3, 1 to 12. Okay, so you have to tick on that group of words which are making complete sense. Okay, so first one is sweet orange, second one is loves cricket playing Rahul. Okay, second one is loves cricket playing Rahul. It means nothing. Okay, it is conveying no idea, so we want tick on this. Next one is the door is closed. Okay, so the door is closed, it is conveying a idea, so you will tick on this. Okay, next one is missed lunch, it conveying no idea. Next one is Shireen ate an apple. Okay, so Shireen ate, it means Shireen had an apple. Okay, so you will tick on this because it is conveying the idea. Next one is the postman delivers letters, so it is also conveying the idea, so so you have to tick on this. Okay, uncle my teacher is a, so it is not conveying any idea, so you want tick on this. Next one is dinner at, under the tree, yellow umbrella, in the park, and last one is I have a pet dog. Okay, so you will tick on the last one on the 12th sentence, I have a pet dog. As you can see in this picture, this girl has a pet dog. Okay, okay, now let's move on to the next one. This is your practice time, so you have to practice. Arrange these words to make sentences. Remember to use a full stop or a question mark. Okay, so you have to use full stop. Okay, if the sentence is affirmative, then you have to use full stop, and if it means if sentence is states something or it is saying something, so you have to use full stop. And if the sentence is asking something, if the sentence is asking a question, then you have to put a question mark. Okay, this is question mark, you have to put a question mark in the end of the sentence if the sentence is asking a question. Is that clear? Okay, so first here you can see you have to arrange these words. Okay, here so many words are given and you have to arrange these words and you have to make a complete sense. You have to make a complete sentence. Okay, so first one is cricket racks evening and every girl play. So it will become, what you will write, you have to arrange these words. So it would be Rex and girl play cricket every evening. Okay, and it will become the a complete sense. Okay, complete sentence. Okay, so on the first number you will write Rex, after that you will write girl. Okay, you will write and third number you will write girl, on the fourth number you will write play, on the fifth number you will write cricket, on the sixth number you will write every, on the seventh number and the last you will write evening. Okay, so it will become Rex and girl play cricket every evening. Okay, next one is school or library my big has. So what will be the answer? The answer will be my school has a big library. Okay, my school has a big library. Okay, next one is Jack hill up the Jill and went. Okay, so the sentence will be Jack and Jill went up to the hill. Okay, Jack and Jill went up to the hill. Okay, fourth one is lakes Nainital 9 has. Okay, so the sentence would be Nainital has 9 lakes. Okay, Nainital has 9 lakes. Okay, it would be the sentence. Move on to the, okay, now turn your page and come on the next page. Okay, sentence, and you have to now arrange the next one. Okay, fifth one, animals faithful the dog is the dog. So sentence would be the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, the dog is a faithful animal. Okay, this would be the sentence. Now move on to the next one. The next one is must healthy we to stay eat strong. Okay, so the sentence would be we must eat healthy to stay strong. Okay, we must eat healthy to stay strong. Okay, seventh one is your this pen is. So the sentence would be is this your pen? Is this your pen? And at the last you have to put a question mark, because in this question it is in this sentence it is asking a question. Okay, next one is guitar the after practice dinner. I Okay, so the sentence would be I practice the guitar after dinner. Okay, ninth one is to I Dehradun invent vacation my. The sentence would be I went to Dehradun in my vacations. Okay, last one is my travel lot father so sentence would be, after arranging this sentence would be my father travel a lot. Okay, sentence would be my father travel a lot. Okay, now move on to the next exercise, that is mark the columns to match the columns to make sentences. Okay, so here you have to match the columns. Okay, here you can see column A and B. Okay, column A and B is given, you have to match these columns to each other to make a sentence. Okay, first one is science is my. Okay, so you will match first one with the D. Okay, Science is my favorite subject. Okay. Second one is I like to play. Okay. So you have to match this with G. Okay. I like to play. I like to play with my little sister. Third one is my father works. My father works in a college. Okay. You will match this with A. Fourth one is they live. So where they live, you will match this with J. Okay. They live in Bengaluru. Okay. Next one is I eat breakfast. Okay. I eat breakfast. So you will match this with B. Sixth one is my brother doesn't. Okay. Sixth one is my brother doesn't. My brother doesn't drink milk. Okay. Seventh one is my mother. Okay. Baked a cake on my birthday. I go swimming. Okay. I go swimming on weekends. I never. Ninth one is I never tell a lies. Okay. Tenth one is slow and steady wins the race. Okay. Slow and steady wins the race. 11th one is Apu and Raka are cousins. Okay. 12th one is Calvin can ride a bike. Okay. That's it. So it was the exercise B. Now move on to the next one. Read the sentences. Okay. So here you have to read the sentences. First one is what is your favorite color? This is a question to you. What is your favorite color? Okay. Second one is my favorite color is red. Okay. The answer of the question is my favorite color is red. Okay. You can give the answer like this. Third one is where is Shalini's house? Again, it is a interrogative sentence because this is asking a question. Fourth one is Shalini's house is in South Delhi. Okay. So this is the statement. Okay. Fifth one is what was Anuj playing? Sixth one is Anuj was playing football. Okay. Sentence 2, 4, 6 are sentences that tell us something. Okay. As you can see, sentence 2, 4, 4 and 6 are statements. These are sentences that are telling us something. Okay. Which starts with the capital letter. You can see it start with the capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay. Such sentences are called statements. Okay. Sentence 1, 3 and 5 are sentences that ask us something. For example, first one was asking what is your favorite color. Okay. These sentences end with the question mark. Such sentences are called questions. Okay. As you can see, first sentence was started with the it was asking a question to us and it ended with a full stop. Okay. So this is a question. These kind of sentences are called questions. Okay. Simple questions which are answered with yes or no are made by inverting the word order of a statement. Okay. Read these examples carefully. This is my dog. This is my bag. Okay. So if you have to convert this sentence into the question, then what you will do, just you will keep the helping verb in the beginning. Okay. You will put the helping verb that is in the middle of this sentence in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. As you can see in the next one, this is my bag, or in here you can see the helping verb is put on the beginning of the sentence and it became is this my bag. okay, and in the end you can also see the question mark. Next one is you are scared of insects. So if you want to make this as a question, then you will write, are you scared of insects, and a question mark, okay. Next one is today is her birthday. It is a statement, it is a sentence, and if you want to make it a question, you will write the helping verb in the beginning and the rest of the sentence after that, okay. Is today her birthday, and question mark, okay. It means someone is asking that is today her birthday, okay. Next one is these mangoes are sure. So if you want to make a question, then it will become like, are these mangoes sure, okay. Okay, so here some facts that you should remember, okay, that you should keep in your mind. Take a note of numbers while making questions. Are we asking about one thing or many things? For example, Shushan is his sister. Is Shushan his sister? Here we have used is because we are asking about a person, Shushan, okay. These apple, here you can see we are asking about a single person, okay, we are asking about a person, okay. So that is why we used is, okay, we used here is, okay. In the next one you can see these apples are fresh. Are these apples fresh? So here we used are. Why we used are here? Because we are not asking about a person, we are not asking about one thing. Instead of, we are asking about lots of things, okay. We are not asking about a single apple, we are asking about apples, okay. It means there are more apples than one, okay. In this sentence we are asking about many apples, hence we must use are, okay. So if where we are talking about more than one thing, many things, then there we will use are, okay. And if you are talking about a single thing, uh, on one object or one person, then you will use is, okay. Is that clear to you, students? So keep in mind what all you have learned in this video lesson, and I hope you understood what all I have taught today. So students, if you haven't completed these exercises in your notebook and book, so please complete in your book and notebook, okay, and keep revising it. Now it's your turn to revise this chapter, okay, and practice it. So practice it in your PC copy, and see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself and keep preparing for exams.